This is the fine GM bumper that's rusted to shit that they wouldn't take care of. Started first year I owned this vehicle in 2012. So took it upon myself. I bought a new bumper and got it coated by Custom Coatings out of Fowlerville. Great guys, go talk to Dave there. But this is the initial one. Thanks again, GM, for your support of your products. I probably have purchased new or leased probably 20 to 25 GM vehicles over my lifetime. So look at that fine rust job. There again, this started within a year of this vehicle. They said it was rock chips. It wasn't defective metal. It was rock chips. So this is part one of my video series of changing my bumper on my 2012 GMC Sierra.